Hello everyone, this is Carol Lazaro and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, for today's video guys, it's another hidden product that I'll be sharing with you, and this is by Fresh Skinlab Tomato Glass Skin. Ayan, so I have here first toner, and it has pH 5.5 Hydrating Toner to cleanse, tone, and moisturize your skin. Sobrang bango nito and sobrang ganda rin niya sa mukha kasi it's give you a hydrating sa mukha mo na hindi siya masakit or wala siyang something hapde sa mukha mo, not like other toner na nabibili natin. Ayan. So, this one, it has a cooling effect siya sa mukha and sobrang bango niya. Hindi siya ganun katapang yung scent niya ha guys, and sobrang ganda nito. And second one is that I'll be sharing with you this SPF 30 water drop cream. Ayan. So this one, it has a Lycopene concentrated cream to toner for a luminous white glow. Ayan. So this one, ginagamit ko to every morning. Ayan. And even before ako mag-makeup, ito ginagamit ko as a substitute also for a primer. Ayan. And this one, it has a 50 ml. Yung kanina palang toner, it has 100 ml. Ayan. So this all set is made in Korea, in fairness. And since, ayan, water drop siya, let's try the consistency of this. So, naglagay ako muna dito sa aking kamay. And kung makikita nyo naman, ayan o, water lang siya. Hindi siya heavy sa mukha. And sobrang nakaka-refresh. Ayan. So, you'll just wait for a few seconds, minute, para patuyuin lang siya. And after na ma-feel na natin dry na siya, you can set already your makeup, your foundations, and other makeup na ilalagay natin sa mukha. And this last that I'll be sharing with you, ayan, this one is the sleeping pack. And this one, concentrated overnight mask for a nourished and luminous white glow. Ayan, it has 100 ml as well. And this one, only recommended for once a week lang. So, pero ako ginagamit ko siya twice a week. Ayan, then to feel kung anong effect niya. Hindi naman kasi siya masakit sa mukha. And this one, it says here for this sleeping pack, it says here that wake up with your face looking refreshed with tomato glass skin sleeping pack. This mask is made with 98% tomato extract, which is great skin rejuvenator for a more nourished and luminous glowing white skin. Ayan. So, for directions, it says here that apply a generous amount, ayan, on the face after cleansing. Massage gently and leave it overnight to promote maximum absorption. Rinse off truly in the morning. Use once or twice a week. Ayan. So, ako, twice a week ko siya ginagamit. And sobrang ganda nito sa mukha nito. And this one, sa kabilang kamay ko, pakikita ko lang sa inyo. Ayan. So, same lang din siya ng consistency. Actually, ayan, it's a cream type. Ayan, pero very water lang siya. Ayan. Kapag naglagay kayo sa mukha ninyo ng this sleeping pack, ayan, ganyan lang siya. And in fairness ayan, madami lang ako nalagay ngayon. Pero, para lang siyang water. And kapag pag na-dry siya, sobrang wala na. I mean, sobrang kala mo wala kang nilagay sa mukha mo na hindi siya ganun kabigat sa mukha. Ayan. Sobrang ganda niya. And mabango. Ayan. So, I love this Fresh Skinlab Tomato Glass set that I have here. Very, lang siya, natural, and hindi siya masakit sa mukha. So far, update ko kayo for 1 month. I'll make a video again. What is the effect? Nag-glass skin ba siya or what? But so far, this product is very nice and highly recommended siya sa mga, lalo na sa mga may sensitive skin nating mga kaibigan dyan. Ayan. Ayan. So, for this video guys, it's actually a very quick review lang tayo for this fresh Skinlab. Kasi, ayan, as you can see, I don't have a perfect skin. I have big pores. I have oily skin that I mentioned every vlog and every beauty products review na ginawa. So, let's see after a few months. Ayan, I'll give this chance. This fresh Skinlab tomato glass skin. Ayan, tingnan natin after maubos ko to, tingnan natin and I'll give you update if effective ba siya. Nag-glass skin ba talaga mukha ko? But so far, this product is very nice and highly recommended. Ayan. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the notification on and subscribe na rin kayo so that you can always be updated on my next vlog. Thank you! See you! Bye!
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love, oh, and not pretend. Stick by my side, baby, the world is